What's up, guys? Today we're doing a diagnostic on my customer's 2000 Toyota Avalon. So the customer was complaining about seeing exhaust gases coming from under the hood, so we went underneath the car and I was able to find two exhaust leaks. Now the first exhaust leak was coming from more so towards the middle of the car, towards the resonator side of things, as I can see right here. It was a nice little crack in it. And then major exhaust leak, or the one that's producing the more smoke side of things, was coming towards the front of the engine, as you see right here.